G6 guitar chord. Claw your hand and fingers firmly, keeping your thumb on top. Approach the guitar neck from behind with your thumb somewhere over the 6th string, 2nd fret. From here, can you place your first finger tip onto the 6th string, 3rd fret. As it presses that string, the inside of the finger will mute the string underneath it. When you strum 6, your audience only hears 5 strings. This is automatic. G6 can also be played with the 2nd finger and also with the 3rd finger. All 3 are correct.